Welcome to the weekly Insider Trading Recap from Insider Compass. We are covering the week of January 12th through the 17th, 2026. This week, insider activity stayed relatively light at around $700 million in discretionary trades, but the tone continued to skew constructive. Buyers once again outpaced sellers, and we observed 9 distinct cluster signals across the market. Let's take a look at the market pulse for the week. Looking at the numbers, we tracked 369 discretionary trades this week, totaling around $700 million in discretionary value. The buy-sell ratio came in at 1.23, meaning buyers modestly outpaced sellers. Healthcare was the most active sector we observed on the buy side this period. The key activity this week centered on a notable trade. The headline trade came from Alumis, ticker ALMS, where a director stepped in with a $10 million open market purchase. Alumis is a biopharmaceutical company working with autoimmune disorders. That wasn't an isolated vote of confidence. Alumis also registered cluster buying, with 4 insiders buying a combined $31 million worth of shares. When we see a large individual purchase combined with cluster activity, it suggests coordinated conviction rather than a random one-off trade. Next, let's review other notable buys and key CFO signals we observed. We also observed a nearly $8 million director buy at Micron, an American producer of computer data storage. Agree Realty saw cluster activity totaling $1.7 million, involving 2 insiders. Agree is a REIT focusing on net leases in retail. Greenwich Life Sciences, ticker GLSI, posted the largest CFO purchase of the week. While modest in dollar terms, CFO trades tend to carry outsized informational value, especially in smaller, development stage companies. CFOs often have direct visibility into financial results. Finally, we focus on the cluster activity that dominated this week's narrative. In total, we detected 9 cluster signals this week. Remember, cluster buying is defined as 2 or more insiders buying within a short 7-day window, reducing the odds of a random one-off trade. Beyond Alumis and Agree Realty, we observed coordinated buying at Clough Global Opportunities Fund, Immuneering Corp., and Acrivon Therapeutics, Inc. Interestingly, these latter 2 are in the pharmaceutical preparations industry. That wraps up our weekly Insider Trading Recap. To explore the full set of insider trades and research tools, visit insidercompass.com. This content is provided for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Always review original SEC filings and consult your own financial and legal advisors before making any investment decisions.